Next over here, OCL 2024, Odisha Jaguars versus Odisha Tigers. So very decent score, and Gaurav will be happy to see this particular score. Does not expect this particular score. Gaurav, please welcome.
This is actually turning out to be a good match for the batters, especially in the middle, towards the 12th over, even after the 12th over till the 16th. It was looking like a very different surface. It was looking like the batters were enjoying batting. I think class of those two batters out there, Rakesh Patnaik and Soumyaranjan Biswal. They batted beautifully, but one man stole the show, you know. Who.
Exactly, Soumyaranjan Biswal, absolutely splendid job. It's 57 from 40. So how to describe about the innings? And I think he absorbed the pressure, well conditioned, well balanced innings. So how do you describe the innings of Soumyaranjan Biswal?
I think the idea of Soumyaranjan Biswal, playing that particular innings, or the behind that particular, that particular thought was to make sure that he holds one end. But when he goes on batting and he realized that there is opportunity, he kind of played his shots very quickly. And then he realized that if he's playing that shot so superbly, there's no point coming back and again playing that defensive innings that normally we see from the batters out there. So kept on going and kept on going. Really hard, and that's how we got those runs. So Soumyaranjan Biswal for me was probably the most important wicket out there.
Oh, thanks to Ashish Rai, who is taking 3 wicket consecutive. I mean, hat-trick wicket, Gaurav. The first time he is, taking the hat-trick wicket in the OCL 2024, and is doing a superb job over here.
No doubt about that. Ashish Rai, I know he's impressed everyone around him, got the player of the match. But today, with the hat-trick, he just sailed it. I said it on the Combox when Ashish Rai took the hat-trick. I said, if you ever make a movie of this particular OCL 2024 and you make the batsmen heroes there, then Ashish Rai will be the biggest villain. Because he spoils the party for all the batters out there. But to be honest, you look at the other way, then he is the biggest hero of the match right now for Jaguars.
Okay, the biggest hero for the Jaguars, Ashish Rai. So talking about this particular target, do you think it's a chaseable target in this particular surface, Gaurav?
T20 cricket, any target is changeable. There's no doubt about that. But look what has happened in this tournament. 142 looks huge when 120 looks big. So that means the bowlers, if they start getting something from this wicket, as always they've got something, there's no due, no real due there. So that's why I feel that the spinners will definitely be getting a lot from this wicket. The Tigers have some wonderful players in their side. Tukuna Sahu, in particular, will come in and become very handy with his delivery. You'll watch out for him in the second innings. So many spinners, they will come in and make life difficult for the Jaguars. Jaguars, mind you, have not chased well in this tournament. That's why they've not won those matches. So I think it's going to be tough for the Jaguars.
So you telling that the X factor will be the Rakesh Patnaik, but the biggest 6 Rakesh Patnaik hit out of the park. So how do you elaborate the 6?
That was just a trailer of it. I mean, I've seen Rakesh Patnaik doing it so often for his team, and Rakesh Patnaik once again proved that why he is Rakesh Patnaik and why he is, regarded so highly. That's because he plays shots like that. He's an aggressive batter. He plays some lovely shots. That particular 6 was picked up from almost outside the off stump. He hit it way back. That is almost like, maybe that is some 110 or maybe more than that. That is as big as some of the 6s that Chris Gayle hits normally. So that is a big one.
So these two teams are lying in the last list. So this is a must-winning game. This is remember, this is a do-or-die match for each team perspective point of view. So who do you think will be, dominate over here?
I think, those two teams, if you look at what has happened in the first innings, Jaguars looks like they will be struggling to get those totals. I'm not writing them up, but Tigers now more likely to win this contest. So Tigers looks favorite, but if any format that doesn't really care about who is favorite and who is not, it is this format, T20 cricket, not Test and not one-day cricket. So who was the favorite? All right, even in one-day cricket, who was the favorite when Australia won the World Cup in 2023 for the ODI format? Indians were the favorite, right?
Exactly.
So favorites don't always win, so you never know. Jaguars can surprise, and you expect the bowlers to do really well.
Fantastic. Well then, cash out the exclusive live, and 2 umpires are ready to take, proceeding the match. So exclusive live on Odisha Cricket YouTube channel and follow the Odisha Cricket Facebook. This is from our side for the mini news. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.